Act up, you can get smacked up. Act up, you can get smacked up.
Well, $10. I forget the name of this laptop. It's like the Samsung Galaxy Book 5G or something like that. But yeah, it's the absolute worst laptop I've ever had. It's horrible. It's slow. The RAM is super low. It's trash. Like, this thing is absolute shit. I figured out it was a piece of shit too late, so I wasn't able to, like, return it or anything. So, yeah, I'm most likely going to trade this thing in for credit towards, like, another laptop or something, but this is honestly the worst thing I've ever had. So before the rest of my allergies start to kill me, we're gonna unbox this really quick, just to make sure. So thing says E36 2JZ, which is odd. I really hope that the E36 2JZ Y pipe is the same thing, because if not, then that would be very annoying. And yeah, they would have to rush ship me the other one so I can get this thing on, because the plan is to have this thing put on by the weekend. So yeah, or not by the weekend, but over the weekend, so I can take the goddamn turbo kit off. Yeah. Okay. I hope these things slip in, because that's weird. Like, why would they just weld this thing up without closing the ends? And it's not like this thing is cheap. Like, this is $300. So, and then there's this. I mean, the welds are okay. They look like they're done by a human, but it's just like, it's weird. Like, if it doesn't slip into each other, then that's losing power. That's causing a exhaust restriction. But yeah, if anything, we can sand it down or file it down, machine it down, whatever that's called, with those like die grinders, and then weld it closed so it's smooth exhaust going in. But yeah, that's the Y pipe and the 2Z V-band. So I actually have to message them now and make sure that the E36 Y pipe for the 2JZ swap and the LS swap are the same thing, because if not, they done screwed up. In this box here, we have the E36 LS swap headers. So yeah, we're all set to go to get these things installed. We just got to get the what do you call them, the exhaust gaskets, exhaust manifold gaskets, whatever, header gaskets, I don't remember what they're called. But yeah, that's all we have to do. Then we take the turbo stuff off, put these on, put the Y pipe on, and then yeah, that's it. So if anything, I'll probably even sand down this, like, because it doesn't look flat. But yeah, like that's really just how it's made. Like there's, like on the wide pipe, how there's just that section and they don't even slide in together. So I just don't understand why it would do that. Like maybe there's some way to sand that down. I'm actually going to post that in the forums right now because I do not like that. And I'm also going to see if anybody like ported the entries of these or something. Like, I don't know, but it's just not giving what it's supposed to give. That always sounds mad funny. But yeah, I just don't think that's optimal. Like, I believe that will create some sort of a restriction and some sort of vibration and stuff like that. Like, air wants to flow outwards smoothly, and having that little pocket, even though that's coming outwards, like, the other one also has it. So it's like, I don't know, I just don't feel like that's optimal. Like, it can either be welded and then filed down, or it could just be filed down. But I'm pretty sure it'll have to be welded and filed down. You guys do see the 4-to-1 collector, and then it goes 4 to 2 to 1. I mean, whatever, in the future maybe we'll do something crazy like an 8-to-1, but I just don't know how that would work. Like, but whatever, I'm really just rambling right now. But yeah, we're on the way home, and then I'm gonna see when we're gonna do this, because it was supposed to be this weekend, but it's gonna rain all day, so that's not going to happen. We make the two things buck up in each other. But yeah, that's not gonna be able to happen today. And then tomorrow I have work and an event, so probably sometime during the week. But I do know the car definitely does not like being driven right now. But just gotta get me to work for another week until the weekend, and then we'll do that. Maybe I'll even take off Friday. So Thursday's my day off, and then Friday's my long day. So I'll probably see if I can take off Friday, use some hours, and then go get the car done. That way I'll still be getting paid, because I can't miss any money. But yeah, I'll let you guys know in the next clip.